Halloween Mobile, using Shrinky Shrink Plastic. I use copyright-free computer art and Shrinkydinks shrink plastic for computer inkjet printers. Printed out the design, cut out the pieces, and punched holes. Do this before shrinking. Lightly dust shrink plastic with powder to keep it from sticking together while shrinking in the oven. I just use regular bath powder. I use 295 degrees, and it normally takes about 2 minutes to shrink completely. I lay the pieces on paper while shrinking. I like to keep an eye on it while it's shrinking, just in case anything looks like it could still be sticking. It does that sometimes when it's curling. When it's shrinking like that, you'll see it starts to bunch up, but don't worry, it will straighten out. As you can see here, it did straighten out. The powder just helps it from sticking to itself, just in case. Some before and after looks. At the top, that was the biggest piece. That was after shrinking. The bottom, it still hasn't been shrunk yet. Again, that's the top piece and one of the smaller pieces that have been shrunk, and that cat is still not shrunk. This is optional, but it does protect the plastic. I sprinkle ultra thick embossing powder over each piece and bake again until all the powder melts. Again, it can take up to about 2 to 3 minutes depending on how thick you put the embossing powder on the piece. It makes it shiny as well as protecting it. Do not touch the top of it when taking it out of the oven, as the glaze still hasn't hardened. This is the piece after it has the ultra thick embossing powder on it and it's been glazed. And these are the smaller pieces now with the glaze on them, and they have all been shrunk. Using wire or string, put mobile together for hanging. I decided to use wire. You can decorate it up even more with beads and things like that if you choose to. And enjoy your shrink plastic Halloween mobile. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.